Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to divide paragraph into column, and also we will learn how to utilize drop caps in a paragraph. Let's see how can we use these options. Here is a 3 paragraphs. We will divide this paragraph, we will convert this paragraph into 3 columns. Just select all the paragraphs and go to the page layout tab and click columns. Here is a 2 column, 3 column, but we will use more column. Just click more column, then you will find 3 columns option, and here is the option like line between. Just click, it will create a line between column. Press OK. It's look very nice. Now we will use drop caps. Drop caps is an option which make first letter of paragraph big. It looks very professional when we use it. Just click here and go to the insert tab, and here you will find drop caps. Click drop caps and use these option dropped. And this is a second paragraph. Click drop caps and use drop. This is a third paragraph. Use this drop. It looks very professional when you use it. You can use these options to make your document good and stylish. Hope these tips will be helpful for you. See you next lecture.